Beijing Hyundai, the Chinese automaker of the Hyundai brand, has teased the Hyundai Mufasa, a new 5-seat SUV powered by a 2.0-liter petrol engine with 160 horsepower, which will only be available in China. The Hyundai Mufasa is based on the Mufasa off-road prototype that was previously showcased to passers-by. It will be unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show 2023, which started on April 18th and is expected to be available in showrooms by July. The SUV measures 4,475 mm in length, 1,850 mm in width, 1,686 mm in height, and has a wheelbase of 2,680 mm, making it smaller than the Hyundai Tucson. It features Hyundai's Sensuous Sportiness design language, which is also seen in many other Hyundai models. The gloss black parametric grille at the front is adorned with the Hyundai brand logo and is flanked by vertical full LED headlights designed to resemble a boomerang. The large black front bumper is accented with chrome eyebrows. The sides of the car have clear lines, look more aggressive than the Tucson model, and add a touch of brutality with black wheel arches. Chrome accents decorate the side steps. The rear window is connected to the rear window by parts that are similar to those used in the Elantra. At the rear, a black panel with Hyundai lettering is surrounded by full-width LED taillights. The bumper features artificial vents and a carbon fiber decoration, and a black diffuser is installed. Inside, the SUV can accommodate up to 5 passengers and includes a large dual-screen display, a leather steering wheel, and an electric gearshift system in the center console. The Hyundai Mufasa SUV for the Chinese market will be powered by a 2.2-liter gasoline engine that produces 160 horsepower.